In this video, we'll see how we can add Google login option for WooCommerce. Like you can register or log in with your Google account directly without filling username, email, or any other detail. So log in with Google and you will be redirected to Google account, then fill it and you will be easily log in with your Google account. So we'll see how we can integrate it. I'm logged into admin dashboard of WordPress. Now I will install a plugin through which we will add option for social login for WooCommerce or WordPress. And then we also need to set up that Google login, Facebook login, or whatever you want. You need to set up all of these. Click on plugin, add new, search for WP social. Scroll down. You can see WP social login register. You can click on activate. Install and activate it. After installing the plugin, you will see WP social option here. First step, it will ask you to complete the register. So you need to add email address and click next, and just submit. After that, this window will pop up. Now here, what I will first, as of now, I want to show button in login page. WooCommerce at the bottom or top, you want to select, you can show. And also I want on register. I just want to as of show the Google login or social login at two places only. I have selected it now. As of now, after enabling it, you will see nothing in your login or register page. Now click on provider. From provider, you need to enable. So as of now, we are only adding Google login as of now, Gmail login or Google login. Enable it. Now you will see icon in your option. Just go to your My Account page. See, in My Account page, I can see login with Google option in both register and login page. You can select like even an register user can register with Google. Want to show social login at a specific place, you can do what? You can just copy this shortcut and paste. So whenever you want to place, you can copy this shortcut. You can place anywhere you want to show Google login. It has multiple option you can select as per need. Now, even after showing, you will not able to log in with Google because we need to integrate some functionality to log in. Here, we need app ID and app secret to log in with Google. What is app ID and app secret? It's not app ID and app secret, it's client ID and client secret that we call in Google. So just go on Google Console. Search here Google Console. Here, click on Console. Here it will redirect you to this page. Now, you need to select email ID from here with which you want to integrate your Google login. What you need to do? You need to first create project. I will create new project. I will name it as a social wool login. You can name as per your need. Click on create project. After creating project, here you see it will take some time. Just select the project. Now project has been selected. Now click on this navigation menu, go on API, click on auth consent screen. Here click on get started. Say the app name, social login. Don't add Google name in your app name. It will throw some error. Email, click on next, select external, next. Next, continue, continue, create. Consent screen has been created. Now we need one more thing. What it will be that? Go here, go on API and service. Here you can see, click on credential. We need credential that will be client ID and client figure that we will use. Click on create credential. Here select auth client ID. Now here is important part. What will be the application name? The web application. Name you can select. You here need to add authorized JavaScript origin. That's not important. We need to add authorized redirect URL. Where you can get, go back to app, click on setting. Here you can see valid or redirect URL. Just copy this. Now go here, click on add, create. Now here you can see client ID and client field. Just copy and paste it in app ID and app secret. Very simple. Go on setting, click on app ID. Now client secret will be app secret. Save changes. After doing it, now let's go. Now here you can see login with Google. You can change position as per need. Up or down you can add. I will just click on login with Google. Here I will select my account. You can see I'm directly login with Google. I don't need to fill anything. I not need to get ID password. So that's why you can easily link login with Google in your WooCommerce website. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.